Welcome back to another Motel Coach training video. Today, we're going to be diving into GuestPoint Property Management System, and we're going to show you how to create a day use reservation. While I've got your attention, if you've been finding our videos helpful, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us keep creating new content and helpful videos around GuestPoint. Let's jump in, and we'll start with a description of what a day use room is. A day use room is where the guest checks in and checks out on the same day. So we start off creating a reservation as a normal reservation, and the only difference in GuestPoint is that you check out that reservation on the same day. So let's get started. So we go new reservation. We're going to use our normal guest, Tim Smith. You'd make sure all of the details are correct as you would with any other reservation. Don't treat it differently because it's a day use room. We're then going to save that down. We're going to do a check-in, and then we can just check the guest out. That's going to automatically post the room charge from the first night, and then when we check out the guest, we'd have to make sure that we've taken a payment to balance that room account. So we're going to now do an instant checkout. Guest has a balance of $490 plus the surcharge. We're going to send that to the debtor. This one's just going to the local council on this occasion. And we're then going to check that one out. One important thing to note is that some property management systems won't automatically make the room dirty when it's a day use room. Often, if the room's not in-house throughout the rollover period, it's not going to become a dirty room. GuestPoint, however, automatically updates a room to dirty when you check out the room, so you don't need to worry about it with GuestPoint Property Management System. They've done a really good job with a common pitfall in property management systems that I've used in the past. So that's everything for the day use room. And then the only other point to touch on is that because the room's checking in and checking out on the same day, you need to make sure you're communicating and scheduling your housekeeping so that you can turn that room around again. If you're letting the room out as a day use room and it might be a reduced rate, but then you're not reselling the room, you've got to weigh up, is that worthwhile for our motel? Is that financially a good decision? Thank you very much for watching our video today. I hope you found it really helpful. If there's anything you're not sure about or you want to discuss further, please drop a comment below. We also have very comprehensive motel management and GuestPoint property management training where you get real hands-on use of the GuestPoint property management system, and we've got links in our descriptions for those courses. Thank you very much.